Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Letitia. This is That's So Letitia. And today I actually went to get my eyelash fill-in, my Sugar Lash extension fill-in to be exact. It's been 2 weeks to the day since I've had my lashes, my lash extensions put in. And although I really did not need a fill-in, these guys are extremely durable. I wanted to have a little bit more added on so that they would be just a tad bit fuller. And with my initial lash extension video, I did not include any footage, but this time around I actually did videotape the experience, so I will be including bits and pieces of what the actual procedure looked like in this video for you guys who may be wondering. The fill-in experience took roughly about an hour, give or take, about 45 minutes to an hour. And you have to keep in mind, because I know some people will be like, well, that was very long. You have to keep in mind that they are extending your lash individually. So it's not like a strip lash. It's not like a bundle of lashes. They are literally doing one lash at a time. And that takes time. I mean, just imagine getting like one lash in your eye and not being able to locate it, or when your natural lashes shed and you see it, it's a extremely thin, fine piece of hair. So that's what they had to add on to my lashes. So for that, and for it to be done neatly and properly, it takes time. So the initial experience was close to 2 hours, and the fill-in experience was about 45 minutes to an hour. My eyes, the bottom portion of my lashes were taped down with surgical tape so that they did not stick or interfere with the top lashes as they were being worked on. I pretty much laid there. I talked to my esthetician just a little bit because this time around I was more comfortable than the initial install where I was a complete and utter nervous wreck. This time around, the glue actually did not irritate my eyes at all. With the initial install, I even walked away with like some redness under my eyes for about 2 or 3 days. This time, none at all. So, thanks again to the salon at Ulta in Orland Park, Illinois. One of few thus far that has been certified, or at least some of their stylists and estheticians have been certified to be able to operate and use Sugar Lash Pro utensils as well as their lashes. I will include a link below to the Sugar Lash Pro website as well as the Ulta salon that I visited that did my lash extension install as well as my lash extension fill-in. So, guys, I hope you enjoy the behind the scenes footage. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting on. Stop being a watcher and become a subscriber. And yeah, have a great one, guys. Until next time. Bye. Mm-mm.